Hi, my name is Natasha Bridgmohan, your host today at the Financial Room, President and CEO of the Bridge Group of Companies and licensed mortgage broker with Mortgage Intelligence. Welcome, my audience. I hope you're having a great Saturday morning, because I am. Today's topic is actually going to be a really interesting one. It's going to be about home insurance. Now, for those of you who are homeowners, I'm sure you already have a home insurance policy. If not, you should, especially if you have a mortgage. Those are one of the terms and conditions of upkeeping your mortgage agreement. I also want to talk to and reach out to the new homeowners or potential first-time homeowners that are looking to buy a home. Now, home insurance is a very, very heated topic right now, because what is happening in the market is the policies are not covering a lot of items that you need to think about in terms of protecting your home safety. Now, if you have a home and an automobile, you should think about obtaining a multi-discount. Now, if you have your home insurance and your automobile policy at separate different insurance providers, you're probably going to think about putting it together and getting a multi-discount. Second of all, home insurance, you should be using a licensed insurance broker to shop those rates for you and those policies. Most of us that have home insurance policy, I know it's all about being rate sensitive and what we can afford, the lowest insurance policy possible. But unfortunately, the lowest premium does not necessarily mean the best protection for your home. So these are things that you need to ask yourself. I do want to bring you up to light in terms of there are weather permitting effects that are happening right now in Ontario and across Canada. We have record-breaking tornado results that are happening, high winds, dangerous storms, lots of different things, sewer backup, lots of flooding. And the most important thing is, advantage of using an insurance broker is they're able to make sure that your policy is a golden policy that covers the maximum coverage for these things. You'll be very, very surprised if you go home and open up your policy and you look at these things to figure out that some of your coverage is very minimum and barely enough to even protect you for 10 to 20% of your home space. So these are things that you really need to ask yourself. Deductibles are also another way for you to save money in your policy. The higher the deductible, the better will be your insurance policy amount for the entire year. The lower the deductible, the higher the premium in most cases. Now, maximum coverage is very, very important, especially in today's changing weather and housing environment and so forth. You want to make sure that your home is protected in every way possible, not only from flood, wind, and theft and fire damage, but also your personal belongings. You want to make sure that jewelry or that sentimental piece also is insured for you too as well. And also slip and falls when you have family, friends, or neighbors or strangers over. You can also be legally liable for slip and falls, and also events where alcohol is being served too as well. Now, the law is changing, my viewers, so it's very, very important that you put yourself with a qualified, licensed home insurance broker that you can find anywhere on the website, or use the Financial Securities Commissions of Ontario website to find a qualified home insurance broker nearby in your neighborhood. Now, it's very, very important that when you're sitting down with your insurance broker, you look at those criteria and ask yourself, what are the most valuable things in my house? Where is the area in my house that has the most assets? What have I done with my basement? These are things that you have to make sure that you bring to the table too as well. Now, a lot of us have renters. So if you have tenants, you want to make sure that you have tenant insurance from the tenant. Of course, you want to make sure that you have protection as a landlord in your home insurance policy separate. So I'm going to leave you with that. Now, go home. If you're not at home already, make sure you visit your home insurance policy at a time that's very convenient for you and your spouse. Sit down and look at where you are lacking coverage and where you have too much coverage. And again, you cannot go wrong with a professional. I really strongly suggest that you pick up that phone and call a qualified insurance broker to give you the best possible rate, and make sure that there are no surprises, because when you need to pick up that phone and make that call, you're very well protected. Now, I hope today's quick financial room tip is a good one for you. I really do encourage you to visit us on YouTube for any missed or previous shows, or today's show too as well, to catch up. You can also visit us at our website, www.thebridgegroup.ca, or contact us directly toll-free at 1-866-553-7467. Again, until next time, and have an awesome Saturday.